Okay, can we start now?
Yeah,
Okay, so how
okay,
are
so
you?
I'm fine. And you, YouTuber?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I'm also YouTuber.
Oh, that's nice.
So as you know, we are meeting for the very first time. So introduce related with yourself.
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Tanuja and I am from Bhopal city. My qualification, I have done engineering from computer science, and my work experience, I have been working in one of the IT company for last 4 years, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube channel as well. Yes, that's all about me.
Okay, so my turn. My
Yes.
name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri. If you talk about my qualification, I completed my 12th class in 2014, and this time I am a housemaker and I have two kids. I live in Blaine, Dura,
Okay.
and
And
this
these
time
days you are
I'm learning.
learning English as well?
What?
And these days you are learning English as well, right?
Yeah, I'm learning.
Okay, that's nice. And when did you started learning this language?
Yeah, I started my learning English journey 1 year ago because I want to make environment for my kids because in future English is very important for everyone.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. And yes, definitely we have faced a lot of difficulties because of this language issue. So yes, if you are making this kind of environment at your home, so your kids will be get this kind of environment so they can learn easily. Yes.
Yeah, and are you married and unmarried?
No, I'm unmarried now.
Okay, so what is your future plan?
Okay, so I'm actually working in IT company already, but yes, I have to uh, reach on a certain designation here, like team leader or manager post. So I have to work hard for that. So I'm just trying to improve myself, like my confidence, my skills regarding communication. So I'm just trying to focus on this language as well. So yes, I'm doing these things.
Okay, nice.
Okay,
And
so. Mhm.
yeah,
Okay, so apart from this English learning, are you doing anything else for utilize your time or in your free time?
yeah. I my free time I'm like to doing like stitching and sometimes I very fascinate for English journey. That's
Hmm.
why I read English and Hindi book. Sometimes I have free time, then I read Hindi and English book.
Okay,
And sometimes I stitching because I know very well stitching.
okay, that's nice. So you can stitch your own like own
Yeah,
clothes as well.
yeah, ourselves only.
Okay, that's nice because now everything is very expensive. If you will go out to for stitching your dresses and all these things.
You
So,
know, if I have mobile, then
mhm.
you can anything. You
Yes,
can do
we can learn
anything.
anything. Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Then
you are right.
and my mother is also a tailor.
Same as
Right.
same. My mother is also a tailor.
That's why I and my sister all also tailor.
Okay, yes, it
This,
happens when in our home if somebody is doing that kind of work, so we can get the ideas and we can learn a little bit in our home as well.
yeah. But this time I teaching only ourselves. My
Hmm.
ourselves and my mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, only I stitching that clothes.
Oh, yes, yes. That is also good because as I told you earlier that now everything is going is very expensive. If we are giving our clothes to other tailor and they are stitching for you, so they will uh, you will have to pay more money. So you can save this kind of money.
Yeah. And this time I sitting in Shromani Hospital in Agra.
You are in hospital?
Yeah, because I have nose problem, so that's why.
Which problem? I missed it.
Yeah, fat is increase in my nose.
Okay.
That's
Hmm.
why I here.
Okay, so are you comfortable now or still
My
facing?
Yeah, my husband told me you are
Mhm.
not making a video in their place, but I told I make this video because yesterday I will not make video.
Yes, because it happens when we break our consistency. So when we do after some time, so it is like we have left something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
if your family is big, then you can't free time. You can't have free time.
Yes, yes. And as a mother, you have limited time. You have all the
Yeah,
responsibilities as well. So
and
yes.
my family also big. I have 8 members in my family.
Oh, so you are living in joint family?
Yeah, and I live in
Okay.
village, so that's why.
Hello.
Yeah,
I think your video had stuck, but now it is
okay,
okay. So you are
okay.
living in joint family.
Yeah, I live in joint family, and there is 9 member in my family.
Okay. So you have a big family.
Yeah, and I have a lot of animals like
Oh,
buffalo.
okay. So you love pets as well.
Yeah, because
Okay. So
in
you are
my
living in village area or in city?
village area,
Oh, okay.
Pura is village.
Hmm.
Yeah, nearby Fatehpur Sikri. You know, Fatehpur Sikri.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Dura is 9 kilometer far for Dura to Dura.
Okay.
So
Okay. So if you will get a chance to shift in a city, so would you like to go there or you love here in village only?
no, because I love village. You know,
Mm-hmm.
in village your house is big and you have area, open area. But
Yes.
in city you have a small home and you are not open place.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
why I love in open area because my on my place open house and big house.
Yes, yes. Like my relatives lives in a, village area in Bihar, and we are living. Only my family is living in Bhopal, in city. So whenever my any of relatives come here, so they say like your home is very congested like that. So we don't have any what can I say in angan and all these things. So so we don't have this kind of open area.
Yeah, because if you in childhood you open area you live in open area, so that's why you like this. And
Yes,
if you live in closed area, then you like closed area. You have it.
yes, yes. And it depends. For example, I'm living in Bhopal since my childhood, so I love it like city. And when my relatives living in village area, so they love village. Like yes, our home is good and like that.
But
So
I want to come in Delhi for some time. I have dream. Uh, I gone Delhi and Mumbai. I
mhm.
travel. I want to travel.
Okay, so have you ever traveled any other places apart from your village?
This time I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, and before marriage as well?
No, because I have two kids. In marriage, after marriage, I have two kids, so that's why a lot
Mhm.
of responsibility I have. So no, I'm trying to know go there.
So
But
now
na,
they are little or
yeah, my
they are
daughter, my Yeah, my kids are little. My daughter
Okay.
is big, but my son is very little.
Okay, okay. Then it is very difficult to travel. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay, so you love traveling, so you must try this.
yeah. If
Even
you
I also love traveling, and I have visited many places, and I love visiting other places.
and what is your hobby?
My hobbies, I love to do dancing and drawing, and sometimes traveling as well.
I also like dancing.
Oh, that's nice.
Sometime I singing.
Oh, that is also nice. So singing and dancing is your hobbies.
Yeah, if you feel bad, so that's why if you that time if you singing song and some dance, so you feel better.
Yes, you are right. Whenever I feel bored and I'm just sitting alone, so I just try to do dance. So
Yeah,
that time we forget all our things like negative thoughts and all these things, and we just try to enjoy by ourselves. Like, yes, we are doing something and we are just engaging on those things. Like, yes, we are dancing.
yeah. Dance is now like all lady like dance.
Yes, you can say. I haven't, get the chance to learn these things, but yes, I love. If I'll get the chance, so definitely I want to learn all these things. But yes, I just do it by myself only nowadays, whenever I get time. And after work and after YouTube, I don't get much time to do all these activities. But still, whenever I have time, so I do it.
This time one marriage is around the corner for my in my family, so that's why my sister also practice dance.
Oh, same. Actually, my one of my friends' marriage is around the corner in last of this month, so I am also practicing for it.
Yeah, because in marriage all members are dancing like.
Yes, yes. And now it's a kind of trend as well. Like, yes, we have to do the dance and all these things. And
Because
it is,
lot of YouTuber like dance and make dancing video and upload our YouTube channel.
yes, yes. Okay, so you are running your YouTube channel, so it's all about English content.
Yeah, I upload video of did you sentence related, and this time I upload video, make conversation video.
Okay, so it is going well.
Yeah, this time well because I have not upload video daily, so that's why sometimes it's not good, but this time good.
Yes, it happens sometimes ups and downs, so it happens every time.
After this video, you send me your channel name, and I send you. Okay.
Yes, yes, sure.
So I think 30 minutes is done. So I have because I have this time
I,
I am
okay.
hospital.
Okay, I can understand. And yes, take rest and get well soon.
Yeah. So nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here. Thank you and bye bye. Take a rest now.